Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite accountability partner for this hair growth challenge. Okay, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. And yeah, so currently I am on a 6 month hair growth challenge where I'll be sharing all my journey and everything that I'll be doing um during the 6 months of this hair growth challenge. So if this is what you would love to watch, consider watching the video to the end so you can join the family and also join the hair growth challenge if you have any hair concern and you also want to grow your hair healthy. Then this channel is for you. Make sure you don't go anywhere and hit the subscribe button. Okay, so this week, this is the 7th week, and I decided that I'm going to be it's time to refresh my braid. So before that, whenever I want to refresh my braid, I always wash my hair. So this is like a prep for refreshing the braid. And I actually applied a pre-poo, moisturizing pre-poo. I already shared it in one of my video. The product that I use, I actually mixed it. Like, this is a DIY pre-poo that I made myself, a mixture of shea butter, coconut oil, flaxseed gel, and Ayurvedic hair oil. So this is something that I applied before washing my hair. Like, that's why it is called a pre-poo. Okay, so this is me just trying to I applied the people and I wanted to, like, take down the hair. Let me see how easy it's going to be, or how I just wanted to know how it was going to feel. But honestly, you guys, if you are relaxed, your hair is relaxed, don't if you're going to do this, you have to be extra careful because the hair is very, very fragile. So this is the strands that came out of it, and it was really nice. But honestly, I think it would have been nicer if the hair was not relaxed hair. Like, the takedown would have been very, very easy. But since it's relaxed, the hair is very fragile. So don't take it down like this. It's just me trying. I just like to experiment a lot of things. So this is me after washing the hair. And when you are washing your hair, ensure that you are using a sulfate free shampoo. Make sure you massage your scalp very well in order for it to be clean, and then your hair strand as well. Remember, you applied a pre-poo, so you wash the hair strand as well. So you are using a sulfate free shampoo so that it won't strip off the hair of its natural oil. So make sure you massage the scalp very well to make sure that it is neat. You can see me showing you guys that the scalp is very, very neat, because some people, they don't think it's easy to wash their hair in braids because they end up not washing it very well. So the next thing is to moisturize my hair. Okay, so while I washed my hair, I used my sulfate free shampoo, my detangling conditioner, since I'm going to be taking down the hair to refresh it so that it will be easy for me when I take it down, especially that root part that tends to get matted very easily. I also deep condition as well. So I deep conditioner helps to lock in the moisture and also nourish the hair. So make sure you do this, and when you use your deep conditioner, make sure you leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes, or depending on the instruction given to you by the product you are using. So this helps to repair the hair and also restore its natural moisture to the hair. So make sure you are deep conditioning your hair during all your wash days. Okay, so the product that I use for this my moisturizing routine is the Cantu Living Conditioner, as seen in the video. So this helps to keep my hair moisturized for the day, and also to reduce frizz, and also to add shine to my braids. So make sure you are moisturizing your hair. If you've gotten to this part of the video, this is a reminder to give the video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you're enjoying it, do well to subscribe to the channel to join the challenge. Okay, and also leave a beautiful comment down below for me. Yeah, so this is me showing you guys the hair. You can see now the hair is looking all shiny, and yeah, it's no dryness, nothing you can see. So this will make my take down process very easy because I'll be taking down the braid the next day to refresh it. So this is me preparing the hair for tomorrow's takedown. So the next thing is the scalp oiling and massaging. So for this, I use my Ayurvedic hair oil because this is packed with a lot of nutrients, a lot of nourishing Ayurvedas that helps to stimulate hair growth. So I use this 2 or 3 times in a week, okay? But if you want to use it, you can decide to use it once or twice a week, anyhow you want to use it. This really helps to stimulate hair growth, and it also nourishes the scalp. So if you are not doing scalp massaging, scalp oiling, what are you doing, like literally? So this really helps a lot. It helps, like I said, to nourish the scalp. The massaging itself helps to stimulate blood flow, and it helps to promote hair growth. So if you are not doing this, try your best to do this. If you want to grow that long, thick and healthy hair, then you need to put it to work. You need to do something to make sure that as your hair is growing, you are also retaining the length with all this hair care routine that you do for your hair. So the scalp massaging also helps to reduce stress, and it improves the overall scalp health. Okay, so make sure you are doing this. You can see after massaging my scalp, because I said like the scalp massaging takes time. That's why sometimes I go off the camera to massage my scalp. But this time I wanted you guys to see that truly this girl, she really did massage the scalp, because some people might think that, oh no, she might just do it in the next 1 second and then she's done. No, I still go over off the camera to make sure that I massage my scalp at least. I massage it very, very well for like at least 2 or 3 minutes. You see me massaging my scalp. Sometimes when I'm even done filming my video, you still see me massaging my scalp. So you can see me showing you guys the procedure, how I'm massaging and everything. And the scalp is really neat. I felt, that is when you wash your hair, that it removes all the impurities, all the buildup of product, and your scalp is feeling all clean, and then the breeze that is blowing is entering your scalp very, very well. So this is it for the video. The next day I'm going to be taking down the hair to refresh it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you're here too. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. For now, bye bye, stay blessed.